Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to take you to a quick tour of glycolysis, a process that happens that is crucial in cellular respiration. So in this picture we have our glucose molecule, which is an exo sugar, meaning that it has 6 carbon sugars. And then in phase 1 of glycolysis we have phosphorylation occurs, where ATP is converted into ADP through hydrolysis, and phosphorylation occurs with the help of an enzyme called hexokinase. And then we move to our phase 2, where the lysis or break of glucose occurs. Glucose is break down into 2 molecules of 3 carbons each with the help of an enzyme called hexase. Sorry for my pronunciation. That's not the best. I have to recognize it. And then in phase 3, oxidation of glucose occurs. Glucose is oxidized into 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, which this process in total produces 4 ATPs. In reality, 2 out of those 4 ATPs are used, but we said that 4 ATPs are produced, like in this picture you can see. And then we have 2 NADHs that are produced by reduction reaction. And now we move to our Krebs cycle, our last part of our video, sadly, but there will be more videos anyway. Krebs cycle takes part in this matrix of the mitochondria in eukaryote cells and the cytoplasm of prokaryote cells. So basically you have your pyruvic acid, which remember there are 2 pyruvic acid, and then this pyruvic acid, what they do is that they oxidize into acetyl coenzyme. This acid produces that contains 2 carbons, and then it produces as a carbon dioxide as a waste. Now what this does is that it merges with oxaloacetate acid, which has a total of 4 carbons in the molecule. So they merge together to form a new molecule called citric acid, which contains 6 carbons. And then this citric acid is once again oxidized to lose 1 carbon, and like you can see in this picture. Now citric acid contains 5 carbons, and carbon dioxide is another carbon dioxide is produced, and then once again it is produced in this third process of oxidative decarboxylation. So what happens is that it now contains 4 carbons, and then since it contains 4 carbons, this whole cycle can be once again produced. So throughout this cycle you produce these molecules, which are NADH, FADH, and ATPs. This is a oxaloacetate acid, as you can see. It contains carbons, NADHs, ATP, and FADH. So as I mentioned previously, the whole cycle takes place once again to harvest the energy that is needed to produce in order to go ahead into the next cycle, which is electron transfer chain. You gain only 1 ATP in the video. Thank you.